Alright, so if you're a photographer like me, you're gonna have these, the SD cards, you know? These things are annoying, they fumble around in your camera bag, they're just all in all, annoying. You may have many of them, right? But what you also have as a photographer, most likely, if you have like a DSLR with an exchangeable lens, are these body caps. Now, to make a custom SD card holder, it's very simple. Take one body cap and one SD card. You can do it with two, except it's a bit cumbersome each time. So you literally just take your body cap like this, put the SD card in it, and make sure you have the spiky side like that. Simply put it anywhere but with places with the notches. Just put it in, twist, and now look at that. Simple and easy body cap solution for any sized SD card, micro SD card, normal SD card. You cannot use this for mini mags, although what photographer uses mini mags that's actually going to have body caps? And like I said, if you are really stealthy and careful, you can do it with two SD cards, although it is very tricky. It's very tricky to do it with two SD cards, but it's still possible if you can get it fast. Just once again, pop on the body cap here. It's a bit tricky, but anyways, that is pretty much how this is done. And it's very good if you have two SD cards like I do. Like I have one on my camera right now. Well, technically I have four, but I don't really use two of them. I only have two of them for pictures and then two of them for video. So as you can see, two SD cards in here, and you can do it with one, two. I bet I've done it with three, although it took a little while. It's a great thing. I mean, you can slide these around. They're not really going to fall out at all. They barely make a rattling in there. You know, they're really good. Just throw it around. Throw it in your camera bag. It looks just like your lens cap too, so just be careful of that. This method works very well, and I definitely suggest you use it. Make sure to subscribe somewhere on screen, or to subscribe by clicking my channel, and I'll see you next time.